Hiro-san, how are you?
Hi. Very good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon to you. Got another great recipe, something you could buy and make, and so simple and not expensive at all.
Right.
Okay, Hiro-san.
Yeah, today is a Walmart number 3.
Walmart number 3.
Yes.
And you saw in the previous video that we did, you made that delicious salmon roll with spicy salmon inside and avocado. That was delicious. This kind of works along the same idea. Tell us what you're going to be doing, Hiro.
Today I'm gonna do a little bit different style. It's not a really rolled sushi today. I'm gonna use instead of bamboo mat, I'm going to use this bamboo box.
Okay.
So which called oshi sushi
Oshi sushi.
usually.
Okay.
Oshi sushi. Okay, let's start to make first the rice.
Okay.
Right. So this box, of course, you know, the dryer. So first you need to put into the water a little bit to make it soak into the water.
Now you guys find this on Amazon. They also have this that comes in plastic, so it won't stick at all like this.
Yeah. They have a made by plastic one too. Yeah, you know, that is a.
You used to use a plastic one in the restaurant.
We used to have. Yeah, I used to have it.
Yeah. You still have that?
I think I have here. But
Okay.
today I'm going to use this wooden one. Okay, just like that. Yeah, because you know, if you don't put the water,
Yeah, the
because
rest
the
is
rice is
stick to
going
it.
to stuck, you know, or like that. The first one, like this. Yeah. And then take a rice.
And this is the long grain rice that Hiro sushi-fied. Put a little bit, 25% more water compared to the 1:1 ratio. But it was a little bit too wet, but still very good.
And then in the top, like that. And then press it all the way down, all the way down, like that. Then taking out this one first, and the next one taking out to the top, like that. So I'm going to cut this on into the 5 pieces, but right now, rice is way soft. Of course, you can cut it, but in case, you should put this one onto the plate, and then keep it into the cooler just a little moment,
Okay.
5-6 minutes. Then rice getting a little more harder, so it's more easy to cut.
Okay.
Right? I'll be right back.
All right.
Let's go make spicy salmon with smoked salmon. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go. Everything,
do it,
right?
yeah.
Let's go everything, right? Okay. And just cut into small. This is the same as like last time I did it. This, then I'm gonna do that. Put a little bit of sriracha, sesame oil, and then here's a Duke mayonnaise. Mix it up, and this moment, if you like to add the scallion, you wanna add the sesame seeds, anything you like,
Okay.
you can make it. Okay, this is the one thing. I'm gonna keep this on the side, and also I'm gonna make sriracha mayo. A little bit of mayonnaise here, and then sriracha. Okay, this is after 5 minutes. I was keeping in the cooler, so rice is getting more harder, easy to cut. Okay, put down here, and I'm going to cut into 5 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, like that. Put the cornstarch all over. Then fry.
how long do you let it fry? In here
Just
for
the rice, the top getting brown.
a little brown, right?
That's it.
Okay.
Yeah, you don't need to put that too much.
Looks like a Rice Krispie treat.
Crispy,
Have you had that before?
crispy rice. Use
marshmallow.
No, I don't know that.
Oh my
I don't
goodness!
know that.
I need to go with you and get you to try that Rice Krispie treat.
Oh.
They're made from cereal. Looks kind of like that color.
Marshmallow.
Yeah, they use marshmallow. Just melt, basically just marshmallow. You melt it in a melt the marshmallow and just add Rice Krispie treat and put it in a sheet pan.
I didn't know the marshmallow. They cooking, right?
Yeah, toasted. Yeah, like a s'mores.
I didn't know.
You never try that?
No, I never tried that. But
You should go when you go camping next time. You got to try that,
when I was
Hiro.
in Japan.
With graham crackers, some Hershey chocolate, and some melted toasted marshmallows.
Mm. Okay. 5 piece. Maybe this is a little bit bigger. Maybe next time you can cut that, make a little more smaller, and for the one bite, easy. Here's a little bit more light, if you can tell. This one is. And then combination with the soy glaze. Also, you can call the eel sauce. The crossing is nice too. And then scallion. Scallion, or you can use a dill. Just a little bit accent. It's not really necessary to be scallion. Something else, you can use it. Today. Okay, that's it today. Crispy rice with the spicy salmon.
Crispy rice, spicy salmon. That looks phenomenal.
Like that.
Hiro, you are making restaurant food from Walmart products. That's incredible. I can't wait to try this too. Some of you guys can make it home, and so easily. Please, we encourage you to try this. That's why you're watching, to learn something and to try it. And by the way, this dish came from California originally and finally hit the East Coast. Hiro, thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up, comment below, share it. Don't forget to subscribe. Oh, please try this at home. And I can't wait to try it, Hiro.
Yeah.
See you soon.
You can have it.
Okay.
You have to try it.
I'm going to try it. Thank you, Hiro.
Thank you very much.
Okay, Hiro-san, to the tasting part. I cannot wait, as usual. Enjoy, Hiro.
Sure. This one. Rice, crunchy outside. The inside is kind of soft.
Kind of soft, right? That texture is amazing. You guys got to try this at home. You guys, seriously, it's so easy. It's still pretty hot, pretty warm, you know?
You know, this crispy rice, I believe people who first made this one, ideas come from we call it yaki onigiri. Onigiri is, you know, the rice ball. So we're gonna cook with a little bit of soy sauce on the top. You know, I don't know, it's not good explanation, but
Yeah.
it's kind of similar as yaki onigiri.
Yeah. If you guys, let me tell you, the outside is like stuck to my teeth. And it's good. I really like it.
Yeah, like a cracker, you know. Cracker.
Yeah. Texture's really, really good. I love the crispy rice, Hiro. And can't believe you made this from long grain rice. That's the crazy part. Really, really good.
Yeah, long grain rice.
And the spicy smoked salmon is also very, very good. All easily done.
Yeah. Then this is another tip is the rice, when you press the rice, right? If to make it too thicker, it's not so good. Thickness, you need adjustment. Too thick is not good. Too wide or too thick is not good, you know.
So good.
It's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, the second one. Yeah.
Enjoy. Yeah, the spicy salmon gets a little bit of a kick. Maybe it's spicy mayo. Excellent. I can't stop eating this. Wow. Yeah, I see this pretty good. So good.
Crispy rice. Maybe you like a toro tartar or something.
Toro would be great. Even like good quality tuna would be good too. And another exciting day here.
Yeah. That's my taxi. My taxi came in.
Oh, God.
I have to go now.
Oh, jeez.
So thank you for watching. I need to go right now. See you next time.
See you.